Yeah. Oh. So guys, I think we're just gonna make it out of the storm because we have a lot of lightning going on here. What's up guys, my name is Brock, and if you don't know me already, this is my YouTube vlog, Brock in the World. I'm currently on a trip around the world and I'm here in northern Thailand with my buddy Mitchell Millennial. Check out his channel, link down below. And today we're outside of Chiang Mai, somewhere to the northeast of Chiang Mai, and we're at this place called the Slippery Waterfall. Slippery Waterfall is basically called that because it's a limestone waterfall, so it's supposed to not be that slippery. You can actually walk up the waterfall with like these ropes that they have. So it's a place a lot of families come, and it just seems really serene, peaceful type of place. This is a perfect example of how YouTubers take longer to do everything.
Literally a normal staircase, but it's taking us 10 minutes to walk down.
Yeah, because we had to go up and down.
We had to go up and down and set cameras up.
For his, B-roll for mine.
YouTubers just, if you're like a friend of a YouTuber, we're just gonna ruin your life.
Yeah,
everything you do with us is gonna take longer.
It's tough.
Thai people are the best. I was sitting on my waterfall, literally minding my own business, and they said, "Oh, you want a drink?" And when someone offers you a beer, I mean, who am I really to decline?
So Mitchell actually started up a conversation with these Thai guys who were just kind of hanging out at the waterfall, and they couldn't really speak very much English, but they were so eager to talk to us, and it just goes to show you that, you know, you come to a country like this and you're going to be welcome.
And don't be afraid to try to whip out your phone and like use translate.
Yeah, we got all these tools now.
And it's like, at least make the effort to try to do that, because that's genuinely what they want to see, is that you are looking to try to bridge the gap.
All right guys, so now we're gonna get back on the bikes and head out to this lake. Soup treating you?
Your Thai food is very good.
All right, so we made it to Si Lanna National Park. This is the lake. Check this out.
Why they allow you?
Farang? I don't know, maybe.
My friend is Farang also. My friend is Farang also. Why you get that? Amazing.
Look.
Ooh.
Perfectly. Just like this. Oh my god, I just didn't know what was behind me.
So guys, we just pulled into this hotel. It's like a farm hotel. They have little cottages for rent. Electricity is kind of going off and on, probably because of all the storms and everything, but it looks like it's going to be a good place for us to stay tonight. It's only going to be like 600 baht, so that's pretty good. Oh! So guys, I think we're just going to make it out of the storm because we have a lot of lightning going on here.
Key light, a little key light right there.
Yeah, this is going to be a storm.
It looks like there's fish, like, very pretty. Oh, this is fine. This is 100.
Yeah, that's it.
There's AC. That's all. Like literally,
Yeah.
my two. I don't even care about Wi-Fi because of this. When I'm booking a room, I care about two things: security and AC.
All right, thank you.
We're each want one.
What?
Two rooms?
2 room.
Oh, you would like to separate, right?
Yeah, is it okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, so not bad for 600 baht. And getting out of the rain, a bonus. So, let's see, what is this? Oh, sweet, balcony. Nice lake view here. Check it out. Watch the storm from here. It's gonna be so cool. I like big rainstorms, thunderstorms, really.
Oh, I just felt it. I just felt the drops. Okay, I need to give you a story.
What's up?
Okay. So I said, "What's your name?" And she goes, "Call me May." And I said, and then she starts like laughing, like I did something wrong, or like she did something wrong. And then so I looked up how to say like okay in Thai, because like that was my Thai word of the day, which was tok long. And she was like, "Oh no, call me Mai."
She was telling us about a restaurant down the road here, so I think we're gonna try to get something to eat. So yeah, we just went and had some like really good local food. They had this yellow noodle soup and some fresh river prawns. We didn't take the camera obviously because it was raining, but I did get some Instagram stories from my phone. I'm gonna start trying to do more Instagram stories and like short clips and stuff while I'm out traveling. And this was like kind of an unintentional bike trip. We were really just wanting to come out to the waterfall on the lake today and then go back. But we ended up kind of staying here for the night because of the rain. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. This is sort of like a pre-bike trip to our big bike trip that we're planning. We're going to be driving all the way to like the Myanmar border and some rural areas in Thailand, and then we'll definitely have like more of an adventure. But this is just kind of like a mini bike trip, so I'm really looking forward to that, and I think the next couple of days are going to be pretty sweet. So definitely stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.